Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Miele brand tumble dryer and you're getting an error F41 and you're wondering what is this error and can I get rid of it? So first of all, what is this error? So the F41 error is basically the electronics within the machine throwing up some kind of error or anomaly. And unfortunately, it's not localized anywhere where we can just go in and look and try to fix something. This is something where most of the time you're going to need to call a technician to fix it. However, before you call a technician, there's one thing that you can always try that when you have these electronic errors, which is just like a computer that's acting up and you can't figure out what's wrong with it. Sometimes just doing a hard restart on it will clear it out. So to do a hard restart on your dryer, all you need to do is turn it off. And then once you've turned it off, you want to disconnect it from the power completely. So either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit. And leave it turned off for a full minute. Once it's been off for a minute, you can plug it back in, turn it back on, and see if you can't run a dry cycle without the error coming back. And if the error comes back, at that point you'll probably need to call a technician, but it might not come back once you've done that. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.